back for one last fill. Just because the sun's shining. Why not, eh? Stop up here for a thumbnail picture. Oh, it's muddy. I know, I should be in the Himalayan doing this. But it gets muddier along the other end, so we're not going to go right along. We're definitely going to wash the bike today now. There you go, folks. I ain't going to sit on there. Gets wet down here. Oh, it's not as bad as I thought. It's wet round the corner though. This is it wet here. Keep going, keep going. There you go. Now, that's actually marked on the maps as a white road, which is why I've just rode it. Or is this just AI generated? This hasn't really happened. Well, look at my hand, you can't tell if it's AI because they can't make the human hand yet, can they? Right. I think we'll go home and wash the bike. I can see muck flying off my tyres. So that's quite impressive what that just rode, considering it's on road tyre pressures, 28 psi, and they're not square block treads. These are more a kind of 70-30 tyre than a 50-50. It did struggle a bit, but I shoved it, and once I got onto the longer grass it gripped. That's all you're going to be able to do off-road in Scotland, stuff like that occasionally. And I say that occasionally, because you will upset folk. Yeah, you could just make AI films. Maybe this is an AI film, who knows? It's that good now you can't tell. The recovery wagons, eh? The old boy clocking me there, almost like a fan of these bikes, or had fun. Okay, let's blast home. Back in, you slowly in, back home. Woo-hoo. I've been enjoying making a lot of extra films just now, just doing shorts as well. I'm quite surprised at the views. I'm trying to go for it for a month or two and see if we can get the channel really rolling. I'm not interested in making it just like every other channel that does motorbike reviews and stuff. Well, I never watch those channels anyway. Not sure what's been going on here. Right, folks. See you again soon. This will give you a wee chuckle, this one though, off-roading. Okay, see you again, bye!